Hello and welcome to another video. This is part 2 of the greenhouse renovation series, and in this episode I'm gonna prepare the ground and also build a riser and also the boxes themselves that I'm gonna plant stuff in. As you can see, I've already marked the area. It's around the right size, but this is like the minimum that I'm gonna make flat. I also forgot to turn the stabilization off when doing that time lapse, but now it's off, so it should be better now. So I think it's flat enough now. If I need to fill in more, I'll just do it when it's done. I also thought I would have needed more gravel than I actually ended up having to use. So now the next step is to build the base for the greenhouse. So I'm going to start by the metal base and then I can make the parts out of wood. It actually turns out that the greenhouse isn't the dimensions that I thought it was. So it's 360 by 240 instead of 430 by 180. But yeah, I'm gonna start by building the metal base. It seems like this part where the door goes is missing, but as I'm gonna build a frame out of wood, it shouldn't really matter. So now I'm gonna disassemble this again, at least a bit, and then I can start cutting some wood, because I've done the measurements now. Now everything should be cut into the right lengths, so it's time to start assembling it. So I want a power outlet in the greenhouse, so the best time to install it is right now before I feel more gravel here. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but that corner is in the air. I'll fill that and level it when I have a longer spirit level that I'm gonna borrow from my dad. So right now I'm gonna install the outlet, and for that I need a cable that runs from the house. So I'm gonna dig a little path for it. So the cable is underground now. Now I can install the plug and the outlet. And now I have to try it, otherwise I get bad luck. Now I'm gonna connect my phone charger and hope that it works. It does. So I'm actually gonna glue it there, because if I would screw it they would stick out, and if I would use an angle grinder to get rid of them, it wouldn't be as nice as if I just glue it. Before I glue it, I'm gonna use these TCs so that the cable is straight. I don't have anything to put against it now, so I hope it doesn't want to leave. And some here, I think. Now I put a bit too much. There. Yeah, this should hold, because it's already strong. And it's pretty thick, so I think that's why. I used the WTF-X, or World's Toughest Fix as it's short for. And this is some good stuff. Yeah, I think that will hold, and I'm ready here for today. The next step is to add some plastics inside the boxes where I'm gonna plant stuff, so that the tree doesn't get as damaged. But that's another day's project. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to level it. Now it's pretty much leveled, so the next step is to add the plastic inside the boxes.
pressure on me. Try to distract them from the fact that you need that. Supposed to think about how else it could be. Oh, please, you wouldn't see.
I would say it's ready now, and it's not perfect, but it's better than to just leave the wood exposed. Now I just have to tidy up and then I'm ready for today.
You wouldn't believe me. Kill me in my sleep when nobody could hear me. Oh, we hate each other's deep fate, but is there any other option left? All you keep on going, keep falling for your tricks. Just hand me like a villain. Oh, no mercy, gonna win. You break me, I realize all my life ain't enough. I gave all my best, but it gave you all I could get. So doesn't seem to be enough. Oh, you make it so hard to get back on my self-respect. It's gonna be love.
As you could see, I decided to paint it, or actually oil it in this case, before I fill it, but now it's time to fill it.
You try to like what you feel. Oh, they try to push you my deal. Take your time to complete. I ain't wanna rock star. I get beat and run fight. You bite, you let me wait here. I'm impatient, but I take it. I know you know that I won't be fine. Let me fix your scars. Just one call. Oh my God, girl, I'd be down if you were that. Panicking how to waste sight. You want that, baby? I can read your mind. So let me to give it a try. You want that, baby? I'm desperate.
That was 1,500 liters of soil. But now they are filled, and the next step is to start assembling the greenhouse itself. But that's a project for the next episode. I'm gonna end the video here and start tidying up all the bags. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.